Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share your May, June Shots of Life kit. So our Shots of Life comes out every other month. It's geared towards our pocket page scrapbooking, but it is perfect for mini books, mini albums, memory keeping in planners. You can even do 12 by 12 scrapbooking because all of our patterned papers, even though they're cut aparts and things like that, the back is a full 12 by 12 pattern. This month we also have two collections that are featured with 6 by 8 paper pads. So definitely more than just pocket page scrapbooking. Our Shots of Life coordinates with our flavors of the month. So if you want even more of these collections, then check those out. We also have 3 add-ons available that coordinate with the flavors of the month. All right, let's dig in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to receive in this month's kit. Let's start with the patterned paper and start with our 6 by 8 paper pads. For the Pink Fresh Crafted Moments, you're going to get some of the 6 by 8 patterned papers. So we have a floral print in all of the different colors, little diamond, beautiful butterfly, some bouquets, a fun take on this sunburst, another geometric teapots, teacups, little floral bouquets. I love this gorgeous floral wreath here. And some more geometrics with florals and bouquets and another yellow geometric. So beautiful patterns. For the 49th and Market from the Garden, you're going to get 3 of the 6 by 8 sheets. So these will vary. I should say that these will vary as well because this is not like half the pack of paper, so you may get different papers than what I have. So I got this beautiful floral with the border, watercolor background, another floral border, tone on tone floral. Again, just beautiful colors and beautiful florals. So even though you won't get these particular papers in your kit, probably, you're going to get something similar. Now on to our 12 by 12 pattern papers. From 49th and Market, Artful Moments. We have this starters paper number 7. It has this gorgeous starburst. The back is a geometric design. Cute. Echo Park, our Groovy Summer. We have the 3 by 4 cut aparts. The back is a daisy on that periwinkle blue. Cartabella Lemonade, we have this assortment of cut aparts. We have 4 by 6, 3 by 4s, 2 by 2s, and a 2 by 4. So lots of options on that one. Super cute. Love the colors in this. And the back is a beautiful grid design with the bouquet. For Simple Stories, Color Me Happy, you're going to get the 4 by 6 element paper. Dot on the back. Simple Stories, Say Cheese, Happiest Place. You're going to get the journal element paper, which I always love these. You have 3 by 4s, but then you have longer ones and smaller ones, perfect for your journaling. And the back is a nod to It's a Small World. Echo Park, It's Time to Travel is another 3 by 4 cut apart. Again, perfect for all those summer travels coming up. And the back is a striped. So one more look at all of the beautiful pattern papers. For the embellishment portion of our kit, look at all of the yumminess. So for 49th and Market, the Artful Moments, you're going to get a third a pack of the foiled die cuts. So that's this here. All of the embellishments will vary among the kits because we do split those up, but you're going to see some gorgeous florals and some titles here, little banners, super cute. For Pink Fresh Crafted Moments, you're going to get a sheet of rub-on. So this is the one that I received. You also get a little popsicle stick there to help you apply those. For Echo Park, our Groovy Summer, you're going to get half a pack of the brads, and then half a pack of the enamel dots. So super fun. Cartabella Lemonade, you're going to get half a pack of the puffy stickers. For 49th and Market from the Garden, you're going to get about a fourth a pack of the chipboard. So that's all of these items up here. I have lots of little phrases here and icons, and I have a bigger word for a title. For Simple Stories, Color Me Happy, you're going to get 1/2 of the sticker sheet. So this is the one that I got, is this side. I have some borders, some tabs, some icons, super cute. Echo Park, it's time to travel. You're going to get 1/2 pack of the ephemera pieces. So lots of phrases, again, all geared around traveling, and some icons. For the simple stories, Say Cheese, Happiest Place, you're going to get some of the chipboard pieces. So these are the ones that I received. So you can tell lots and lots of embellishments to use on your pages and projects. Don't forget to check out all the other kits. The reveal videos here are for the flavors of the month, and don't forget about the add-ons and things if you want this to go even further. Check out all the individual items available in the store as well. And we want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.